Tuesday, September 23rd, Madrigal. Word was sent to King Ulrich within moments of our arrival through the world knot, and before an hour had passed we were brought before the throne. King Ulrich listened intently as Garrick recounted the events leading up to our arrival in Madrigal. As soon as Garrick was done, King Ulrich ordered the 7th Legion through the world knot to Scales. They have been instructed to seek out Soulblighter's army and destroy it now, before it grows any larger. King Ulrich is convinced that Soulblighter is searching for a man known as the Summoner. He says that the birth of a man who would resurrect the Meocridia and visit horrors on the world without equal in history or myth had been foretold in an ancient tome called the Total Codex. All that we know of the Meocridia comes from old songs and half-forgotten legends. They are full of horrifying tales of whole armies being devoured and entire cities being erased from the world. They were eventually defeated by the hero Connaught, who imprisoned them in a powerful artifact called the Tame. King Ulrich says we must travel through the world knot to Covenant and retrieve the Total Codex from the newly rebuilt library. He says that with the Codex we may be able to find the Summoner before Soulblighter can. According to the journal, a similar expedition was undertaken during the Great War. It seems ironic that 60 years later we will be going through the same world knot to retrieve the Codex once again.
Wait here. I'll be out with the Codex as soon as I find it. Protect the entrance until I return.
Yeah. Yes?
Mic up, young.
Let's go. I'm moving.
Okay. Yes. Move here, move there. Move here, move there. Catch! Mic up, young.
Ready. Yeah. Step aside. We'll do it. Yeah.
Mic up, young mind. Okay. Yes, sir.
I'm moving. Yeah.
Okay. Look out. Move here,
Stand
move
clear.
there. Oh, yeah.
Wait here. I'll be out with the Codex as soon as I return.
I'm moving.
Yeah, move here, move there. Mic up, your mind.
I'm moving.
Burn!
Stand clear. Move over.
Okay.
Let's go.
Catch! Yes, sir. Move here, move there. Okay. Make up your mind. Yes. Oh yeah.
I'm moving. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm moving. Over here, sir. Got
Move here, move there. Burn!
Yes, sir.
Well, make up your mind.
Casualties.
Wait here. Protect the entrance. I'll be out
until
with the
I
codex
return.
as soon as I find it.
Yes. Step aside.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Move over.
Wait here. Protect the
I'll be
entrance
out with the
until I
codex as
return.
soon
As I find it.
Make up your mind.
Stand
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm moving. Shell. Yes. Yes, sir. Yeah. Move over. Step aside. Stand clear. Yes. Move over. I'm moving. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Move over. Let's go. Yes. Stand clear. Over here. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm moving.
Burn! Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Move it. Catch! Yeah!
side.
We'll do it.
Move over. Stand clear.
Make up your mind.
I'm moving.
Yes, make up your mind. Yeah. In. Okay. Yes.
Kill. I'm moving. Yeah. Kill.
Move here, move there.
Let's go.
Stand clear. Move over.
Move here, move there.
I'm moving. I'm moving.
Make up your mind.
Let's go. Let's go.
Ready.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah. Burn. Make up your mind. Yeah. Whee.
We'll do it.
Sweet.
Move here, move there.
We'll do it. I'm moving. Let's go.
Okay. Make up your mind.
Yeah. Let's go.
Yes. Move over.
Yes, sir.
I'm moving.
Yeah.
I'm moving.
My cousin Dewey would have been back with it by now.
Let's go. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Sir?
What now? Move here, move there.
I'm moving.
Yes, sir. Burn! Like up your mind. Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
Catch! Move here, move. Oh, yeah.
Shell.
Yeah. Burn!
Casualty. Casualty.
I'm moving. Yeah. I'm moving. Yes.
Ready. Step on!
Over here. Yeah, over here. I'm moving.
Okay.
I've got it. Now quickly, to the world knot.
New units received.
Wow. Move here, move there.
Yes!
Catch! Stand.
Yes, sir? Stand clear.
Hurry, everyone, into the knot.